Do you know the best posture that you could ever be in is the posture of sujood? It is the closest you can ever get to Allah, the posture of prostration. أَقْرَبُ مَا يَكُونُ الْعَبْدُ لِرَبِّهِ وَهُوَ سَاجِدٌ. The closest that a slave can be to his Lord is when he or she is in prostration. So my brothers, my sisters, fall into prostration. Take your time, prostrate for Allah. And if that prostration happens to be in the house that is most loved by Allah, on land that is most loved by Allah, then why not? Subhanallah. People are saying it is very difficult to go for Umrah. It is very difficult to go, for example, to Mecca and Medina. My brothers, my sisters, don't let shaitan make you become rejected simply because you think it is difficult. Begin the process. If you can afford it for Hajj, begin the process. Start learning the rules and regulations of Hajj with the intention, I'm going to go inshallah. Whether the door opens or not is in the hands of Allah. You want to go? Start learning from now. What's the rules? What do I have to do? When do I have to go? How can I go? Etc. Allah will reward you. Allah will open your doors. If you die prior to that, wallahi, you get a full reward of your Hajj. Although you would not have been considered from among those who have fulfilled the Hajj, the reward is a different matter. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us an understanding.